You know, I said 10 years from now, I see myself I tour down the whole world, you see me? Mash up the place. I don't know who's there, you know, darling, dog. Well, the artist name Young J, you see me? Naturally I'm from St. Catherine, but now currently living in Manchester. My genre of music is very influential. Why? Because I'm so persuasive. And the thing is that Young J think say how me bring the current dancehall music or the current trap reggae music, me give them it, you know, positive. So you don't know it already, you're not listening, fam.
You can't tell me say me nah, and you can't tell me say me can't. Me I go be the greatest in this. And the greatest thing and this, and you can't tell me nothing. Them say me nah make it, and that me utilize to make the youth rise. Because the youth are wise, I don't have a gene.
I'm trying to do this by myself. Like I want to be my own manager, my own booking agent. You know, well I can't engineer my own music. You see me? But I can produce my own music. After we stack up on some funds, I don't know say yo, come in 2023, now go see Young J out there.
Hey, and them see me from afar, and I say really honor you. Say me flow tougher than the steel in my boot, yeah. Make bad mind see me and I screw on them arch. Me on the Bible man, I really I get you from afar, and I say really honor you. Hey, say me flow tougher than the steel in my boot, yeah. Make bad mind see me and I screw, and I watch me on the bike, right? Watch out now, in my suit and jenks, me feel me too condensed in my room and ends, I listen to them meds. Now the man I make that because the youth.
My message to the younger generation of music. You see, the whole chopping thing and the whole, you know, them negative energy there, they don't live long before. You now make the money off of that. Just focus on some positive songs, you see me? And make sure say the songs them come with melody where I go live on, you see me? Best way to live, best way, right way. Of city. Well, come a far away, you see me? I don't know, so them say experience, teacher, wisdom. So I've grasped a lot of, you know, a lot of things pertaining to music.
Everything I go, you shall not know you don't rush, no bro. Patience and the kid to complacency. Yeah. Everything I go. You shall not know you don't rush, no bro. Patience and patience. So go and wait then. People see me and ask me what one. Long time and I say like you see a perform now, John. You know this from my school and I go on no long and I know you still record no song. With anything said, we never plot. With anything said, dog, everything blessed because